Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Hope you will be fine with good health. I am Dr. Abdul Malik, PhD Pharmacology, Assistant Professor, College of Pharmacy, University of Sargodha. Now today I am going to discuss about PhD Pharmacology syllabus, first and second semesters. PhD Pharmacology syllabus, first and second semester. You can see the contents, in which following books will be there, or subjects will be there, and semester will be 2. After 2 semester, last 2 years will be given to the student for research and thesis writing, and publication. Now let us see the first 2 semester subjects. Now here is the scheme of studies for PhD courseworks in pharmacology. Here is the course code, title, total credit hours 9 in first semester, PHA 801, research methodology, 3 credit hour, and the code is here, you can read, battery of pharmacological test, 3 credit hours, and the third course is toxicology studies and metabolic disorders, 3 credit hours. Now we see the second semesters, in which evaluation of selected drug activities of screening of medicinal plants for selected pharmacological activities, and the last third subject is systemic antimicrobial agents and ethnopharmacological studies of following subjects, or following literature or topics will be there. I shall explain further. Now here is the comprehensive view of the 2 courses, 2 semester courses. Now let us see the separate one. Now research methodology. What is research methodology and what are the contents? Here are the literature retrieval, designing of the experimental work and statistical analysis of the data. Critical methodology will be discussed, and in which introduction, analysis, and analysis contains intrinsic analysis, extrinsic analysis, citation, reference, writing, bibliography, interpretation and evaluation and judgment will be there in research methodology. And next we go to the second book, our subject, that is battery of pharmacological test, in which battery of tests to be determined, accomplish blind screening of compounds for finding their activity, and specific test for different groups of new compounds which could be promising candidates for clinical trials. So here are some screening of some plants, specific scientifically searching, and then this will result to clinical trial, or some promising candidates for clinical trial will be searched. So here is the third our subject, that is toxicology studies and metabolic disorders. So what we will study. So here is the toxicological measurements, toxicity studies, acute or chronic will be studied. ED50, effective concentration of the drug will be studied in 50% of the population. LD50, lethal dose, 50% will be seen. Therapeutic dose concentration, 50% will be seen. Therapeutic index, dose response relationship will be studied, in which graded dose, quintile dose, or other method of evaluation of toxicity will be checked or studied. Now here is the metabolic disorders, carbohydrate metabolism and its relationship, investigation of carbohydrate metabolism disorders. So next we go the second semester, that is total credit hours 9, evaluation of selected drug activities of cardioprotective, anti-diabetics, antispasmodics, anti-ulcer, anti-hepatoprotective from natural products. So here is the second semester and the evaluation of selected drug activities of these areas will be discussed here. Now we go to the second subject, that is screening medicinal plants for selected pharmacological activities for antihypertensive agents, hepatoprotective agents, analgesic and toxicological effects of some medicinal plants, or newly synthesized plants, or semi-synthetic plants will be checked here. So teacher can give the instruction about these drugs or plants or related protocols. Now, third one, we see the systemic antimicrobial agents and ethnopharmacological studies of hepatoprotective, antihelminthics, antioxidants, and anti-cancer drugs will be studied. So some courses are written here, but explanation will be towards the teacher. They will explain what the student will do according to the need of the situation or the population. So we will discuss. All the coursework depends on teacher, or facilitator, or professors, as he or she will instruct, guide you, or give you topics in class according to situation and need of the patients or population or the situation. So all the coursework depends on university rules and regulations, and with faculty or college or department, and the teacher is involved basically for research of the students. So third and the last 2 years will be the thesis writing, research work, and the publication work and defense of the PhD thesis will be done. So thank you very much for listening, for your attention. God bless you all. Allah Hafiz. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.